The Center for Fiscal Transparency and Public Integrity organized a one-day stakeholders engagement on assessing the Nigerian asset recovery regime. The event held in Abuja on May 20, 2025 brought together key stakeholders to discuss the progress made and challenges faced in the asset recovery efforts in Nigeria. Our correspondent Alex Dikes has the story.
The stakeholders' engagement aimed to evaluate the effectiveness of Nigeria's asset recovery regime and identify areas for improvement. In his address of welcome, the executive director of the center, Dr. Umar Yakubu, stressed the importance of transparency and accountability in asset recovery, disposal, and utilization, ensuring the recovered assets are repurposed for national development.
Our aim is to collectively assess the current state of Nigeria's asset recovery regime, to identify its strengths and weaknesses, and to collaboratively explore innovative and effective strategies for improvement. Over the course of today, we will delve into key aspects of asset recovery process. We will examine the legal framework, the institutional capacities of relevant agencies, the challenges of international cooperation, the role of civil society in monitoring and advocating for effective asset recovery, and the crucial need for transparency and accountability in the management of recovered assets.
On his part, Chairman Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences, Dr. Musa Aliyu, emphasized the need for a robust asset recovery framework that promotes transparency, accountability, and effective asset management.
But we can only overcome the challenges if we can put heads together to analyze them, and also we should be sincere to ourselves. Where we know we have weakness, we should reach out to those that can help us to strengthen our own activities so that we can work together and in order to ensure that we recover proceeds of crime and manage them well for the interests of Nigerians.
In a goodwill message, Tim Melaye of Java noted that the engagement will offer partners the platform to share experiences, best practices, and challenges in asset recovery, and to identify potential solutions to improve the regime.
Java's mandates is therefore to develop strategies and implement measures to protect the economies and financial system of all member states from the laundering of the proceeds of crime. Also, is to cripple the activities of terrorists by draining their resources and making sure that the fish cannot survive outside water, that terrorists cannot survive without funds.
The assessment of Nigeria's asset recovery regime highlighted the need for stronger international cooperation and collaboration to recover stolen assets. Participants also emphasized the importance of effective asset management and disposal, ensuring that recovered assets are utilized for the benefit of Nigerian people. The outcomes are expected to inform policy and advocacy efforts aimed at strengthening Nigeria's asset recovery regime by promoting transparency, accountability, and effective asset management. CeFTPI and its partners can contribute to a more robust anti-corruption framework in Nigeria. The stakeholders' engagement event demonstrated CeFTPI's commitment to promoting good governance, transparency, and accountability in Nigeria's public sector by engaging with government officials, civil society, and other stakeholders. The stakeholders' engagement event demonstrated CeFTPI's commitment to promoting good governance, transparency, and accountability in Nigeria's public sector.